Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to be reviewing this nail drill that I got from Amazon. This is the JSDA Power. I'm assuming that's the brand name, and it's the JD700. So this is what you get. All of this comes disconnected from the drill. I'm not going to take that out because it's too hard to take out and put it back in. But this part is for your foot pedal. So this is the foot pedal. And then, of course, you get the handheld piece. You can twist it to take this part off. Put it back in. Twist it to make it tight. And then, of course, you get some sending bands with it. I have them all mixed in with my old drill that I have, but I probably got about maybe 40 drill bits, and they are the black ones. That makes a difference. These are the ones that come with the drill. So for being a nail tech, this is the second drill that I have bought, and I absolutely love this one. So you plug your foot pedal in right here, and then put it on the floor, and yeah, you just step on it whenever you need to use it. So you control the speed by this little knob right here, and then you can control the way how it if you want it to go forward or reverse. So mine is in reverse. And then if I change it to forward, it just goes the opposite way. So I turned the speed completely down. And I have my foot on the pedal right now. And this is it at its highest speed. I've never used it this high. This is a very powerful drill. I've never had to use it this high. I normally keep it in about the middle speed. So this is what this looks like. Then you want to switch it to the hand. You just have to do this little switch whenever you want to use it. When you want it off, you just turn it off like that. If you want to turn the drill completely off, you're going to make sure this is in the middle. So at the top it has hand, the bottom says off, and this, well, the top says hand, the middle says off, and the bottom says foot. And then you have your control knob right here. Right here shows like the force that's being used. So I'll put it back on foot. So now it's all the way red. And you can see that that's the lower speed. So only 3 dots are showing. Medium speed, almost all the dots. High speed, all of the dots. And this drill is powerful. I feel like wind coming from it because it is so strong. But this deal is definitely worth the price. It's small too, so I just keep my drill like off to the side. It also comes with this little container, well, this little holder for your hand piece. And my drill just sits right over here in that corner out the way. So I definitely recommend this drill. Very simple, not difficult to work, not hard to use, nothing. I've had it for maybe about 5 months now, and I definitely recommend it, guys. So if you're looking for a new drill, invest in this one. It's maybe about $50 on Amazon. So make sure that you guys like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Leave comments down below for video suggestions, and I will see you guys in my next video.